what happens. Try them all, why not? It's like I've never done these before because who does this crap? Yeah, so I think we'll just give it a go, see what happens. So this is like the bigger one. This is like the double dig. And then there's like cargo runs, which I think are like the wood crates and cannonball crates and stuff. But we're just doing animals for now. Oh, you've done the cargo ones? Okay. See, I never did them. I only ever did no, yes, I only ever did shipwrecks. I did my yeah, see, for me there was, and so yeah, see, yeah, I couldn't do it. Like for me there was only the shipwrecks, and I could farm them really fast, and so I did my level 50 merchant from or 75 merchant from shipwrecks only. Yeah, see, I would never do deliveries either because apparently they were bad. I would have to do another shipwreck. Yeah, it might be different. That's why I think just give them a go. They've redone everything, so we should be doing every quest and see which ones are nice and which ones aren't. Yeah, well, we'll do like just a couple. I think because it's going to shut down at like so. Oh, bro. Okay, we'll just do this then, and then that'll be it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. So we'll just basically. I think we should. Yeah, like no, it's the March update that's anti-cheat. Is it March? Oh, maybe March 20th. They said though. So, so no, it's not. Yeah. So, I don't know. Maybe it's just gonna make it so it crashes me every 2 seconds again. They always do it. I told you they section it and they stagger it in like different amounts. And so this one's probably the one that fucks me over. And they're like, we're just testing it out to see how. Because I told you today, all today, I've been freezing. Every time I try and turn like this, it would freeze, and then it would spin me around like this. And I'm like, okay. And I thought it was my computer, and I reset. And then I go Alt Tab, and my mouse does never freezes, never freezes. Like running something in the background. Yeah, no. It's not. It's the game. It's this game right now. They've done some sort of like weird update. They've released some weird update. Yeah, it's just yeah. It's not. It's not. It's not. It would have been coincidence. Yeah, it would have been coincidence. Maybe it's really good quality, but it's coincidence. Like because I said like it's been freezing. Yeah. They're not gonna let us fucking pop up. There's no way. They've capped us, cutting down the servers, shutting them down one by one, and they're just not letting us pop up to a server because they have to make a new server for us to do it, and they won't do it with the shutdown. They're dog ass. But I want to give me my piggy. I'm a merchant, damn it. I need to merch things per chance. Oh, that's so dog. We can't even get out. We're stuck here forever. I've got a ballast board I need to use on some guy. Bro, that's weird. It's not doing anything to you though. It just makes you do like a weird like motion. See? your head goes back. It's like really weird. It's kind of disturbing. Yeah, you said that. You said they made it so you could go up now, but I can't. No, you died. You said I can climb it, and I was like, oh, okay. And then you were like, they fixed it. Yeah, you said how they fixed it or something, and I was like, I don't know. Uh, are they gonna ban those guys that were doing just the dirty? We can't even get up. Why are they giving us a chance? Like, I need a piggy. Yes, I. But nothing happened. Yeah, we might still get a chance. Well, I don't. I think they're closing the servers down. Why would they open a whole new one for us if they're gonna give us this note?
Hmm.
I just wanted to see if it was a good mission. Now I'll never know because I'm quitting this game before this update. I'm not even gonna update it. I just let me know. Oh yeah, true. Yeah. I'm like, oh guys, I'm not playing anymore. I'm out. Yeah, I don't really care to play anymore. So why? Why don't you play anymore? Oh, well, it just finally got to me. It's like, but they have anti-cheat now. Oh, do they? What? Maybe I should check it out. No, actually, no, guys, I'm not coming in. It did it just then. I froze. It's definitely an anti-cheat thing. I reckon they're scanning the computer and that's making my computer freeze or something. And they just have fucked it. After this one, after this one, no, after this one, 100% I'm gonna start crashing. Like, you know how me and Bao started crashing? It'll happen again. It always does. They always stuff it up. You might not even be able to play. You don't even know. Every update for you is like walking on a tightrope. You don't know what's gonna happen. Nice edge right now. You could like have the same bug you had before where you can't get back in without invite or get back in at all. Yeah, that's it. Like you don't know. Like for me, it's like yeah, I might crash, whatever. But for you, you crash before you even get in the menu. That's fucked up. Like this 9 minutes, bro. Enjoy your last 9 minutes of Sea of Thieves. Quick, take screenshots and shit of all of your of all your emotes of everything. Like, what's gonna happen? You'll be out again. It'll be like a community day all over again for you. Yeah, they made us all like last 9 minutes. Last 9 minutes. So okay, well, can we just vote for it? Just do it without that. No, without that. It is Gallon's Grave, Shipwreck Bay. So south of us. It's fine. Oh, we're anchored. That's fine. Why are we moving? Pop this guy up quickly. Cancel. Wait, you gotta get four. It tells us where. On the northwest beach, so at least it's this beach. Okay. And then we just gotta deliver it north of us, which is great. We have 8 minutes to get there. Time here. I have to put 10 in them. Plus the 3 earlier. There's no way they're up. They're down with them. Are they? Yeah, whatever. Screw him. Fuck you, fuck you. There's something. Oh, I'm freezing heat now. It's definitely something. Northwest Beach, 7 minutes. Oh my god, we don't even know what we need. What do we need? Pigs. Fuck! There's like, okay, so a pink one, a golden striped one, and 2 chickens. Yeah, right here, right here, right here. Yep. Wait, where? Yeah. Wait. Oh. Alright, we need 2 of these red chickens. We got 1. 2. Right, that's the 2. Now we need to get the pigs. I think the pigs are at... I think the pigs are over on the main island, right? Alright, I'm gonna harpoon all of this, and then we'll... Oh, I'll just harpoon... You start swimming, I'll just harpoon this. I'm going to page here. Alright, good luck, chicken. Yep, we need a pink pig. Yep. And we need a golden striped one. So a brown and white one. It's white and brown. It's got a stripe in the middle of it.
I love finding animals on Sea for Thieves.
Oh, you should have said something about it. We could have done it, like, we should do it more often. I found a pink pig on the left. Okay, get it. And I'll look for the other one, the stripy boy. No spots. No, just straight pink.
Should I say something
Kill him.
about that?
Give him a slash. I got one. I got a pink one. Yeah, I got a pink one. Alright, let's go. 5 minutes. But we have merchant how do we do this? We're gonna just sell it straight away north to us. Alright, sorry Piggy, let's go. Swim boy! The Merchant Alliance calls to us. This better be not that guy, I swear. Is it that close to us? No, it's gonna be Galleons. Are you swimming underwater? He's drowning? When you lunge, make sure you don't lunge on them. Or they die. Right, where's Galleons? Who's behind us now? Galleons is... Oh, no, we're not gonna make this. It's not the one next to us. There's no way we make it. It's not this one. It's Galleons is to the right. Oh, well. Damn you, Syracuse. What do we have? I guess just go healing someone, because we can't make it. Can we make it, Yuri? It's... No, it's at 4, 5. It's 5. Yeah, stop that. Let's just stop healing. Oh, well, we tried. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we can set something there. And we can lower. Quest, no. But it will count as selling items though. But not as a quest. Oh no, it won't count as it because we're not delivering it on time because we're delivering it to the wrong place. It'll just be normal money. You know, like normal. Wow, we have wind, bro. Do you reckon we could make this with wind? We can do it. We can fucking do it. I don't believe we can either, but we've got to try. We got straight wind. It's gonna be crazy. Oh, I just went to 2 minutes. There's no way. There's no fucking way. It was so far. Look at that. Yeah, we got no fucking chance. Abort! Abort! We're aborting, we're aborting. There's no fucking chance. Fuck this. I fucked us twice. I fucked us twice. Fuck, we gonna win. We're fucked. You're right, we just ram in here. We sell to the actual guy. To the man himself or the woman herself. Do you like chickens? Yeah, we can, 1 minute.
Nuggets.
How fast are you?
Guys,
Yo,
chicken nuggets.
chicken nuggets. I love chicken nuggets. I don't eat them enough though because they're really like they haven't got like they're processed chicken or something. It's not even chicken. It's really like chicken flavor. What? We got ripped off! We fucking screwed us, bro! That's cap! That's actual cap! Motherfucking so many four chickens! It was, yeah, easy! It only just changed to 1 minute, motherfuckers! Dog in there, what? Fucking, because you put the anchor down, I bet you, they're like, this guys. What a joke. Alright, alright. I'm gonna head off. I will be back when it comes back on, maybe. Depends when it comes on. Alright. Bye, guys.